Hello.
So Jared is buying those. These are kind of cool. I brought this back here for our use. We put some fans up here. Nothing to write home about. Nothing back here I thought to write home about. For a second I thought that was a wind. That must have just came in. I like those globes. I don't know what that is, but it's cool looking. Okay. Such an ugly combination. This is actually cool, but you can't tell because when it's upside down, those things hang weird. I would have never put that out. I have a sign for this one. Grant is somewhere. I would have never priced that much. Would have never priced that much either. Stuff happens when I'm not here, and I was gone for several weeks between the car accident and the flu, so it's the way the cookie crumbles. Okay, I gotta finish up a few projects and then get out of here.